Okay, we're going to reset or set the service reminder on this Santa Cruz. So first thing we want to do is, what it doesn't matter what screen you're on right now, we're going to go to Setup, Vehicle, Cluster. You see service interval here. You also can select a different theme. Service interval. And then we go, you can either disable it, enable it. You want to change these preferences here. Just click on it, type it in. It already has the 00 there. So you type in whatever you want. Same down here, it goes by months. You put whatever month you want in there. And now, if you already have that and you're just resetting, you can just push the reset. And it'll put it back, starting, over again. So it'll put it back to this. If you just push reset after you use it, drive it, whatever you're doing after your oil change. So pretty simple. That's how it's done.